Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Cougar dating app on your smartphone. Cougar dating is a popular app designed for mature women and younger men looking to make meaningful connections. So whether you are using an Android or an iPhone, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure it is connected to the internet, and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type Cougar dating and hit enter. You'll see the Cougar dating app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Here I can see Cougar dating and hookup app, which is developed by Cougar and Hookup apps. So this is the official one. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you can see the install button if you're using an Android device or a get button if you are on an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. On iPhone, you might need to enter your Apple ID password or use your fingerprint to confirm the download. On Android, it will directly start to download. And the download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. Tap on it to launch the app. From here, if you already have an account, you can sign in using your credentials. If not, you can easily create a new account. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Cougar dating app. You are now ready to start exploring the app and make new connections. Happy dating! If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.